Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 17, Unit C, India and the World, Union of India and National Days from the book GK 5. We have the creative skill. First, fill in the blanks with the help of the help box. So we have to fill the blanks with the help of help box. This is the help box we have. We have different options. Chief Justice of India, Supreme Court, High Court, Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President, Governor, Parliament, State Legislature, Panchayat. Okay, so we have the first one. Dash is the highest law-making body in India. Highest law-making body कौन सी है इंडिया में? The answer is Parliament. Then second, Dash is the highest law-making body in state. Highest law-making body state में कौन सी है? The answer is State Legislature. Then we have the third one. The local body of the village is called Dash. तो जो local body होती है village की उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? The answer is पंचायत. Then we have the fourth one. The executive powers of the union vest in dash. तो जो executive power होती है union की वो किसके पास होती है? The answer is president. Fifth, the executive powers of a state are vested in dash. तो जो executive power होती है state की वो किसके पास होती है? The answer is governor. We have the sixth one. The head of the union cabinet is dash. Union cabinet का head कौन है? The answer is prime minister. Then we have the seventh one. The head of the state cabinet is dash. तो जो head होता है state cabinet का वो कौन होता है? The answer is chief minister. Then the eighth, the highest court in India is dash. जो highest court है वो इंडिया में कौन सा है? The answer is Supreme Court. Then ninth, the highest court in a state is dash. Highest court state में कौन सा होता है? The answer is High Court. Then tenth, the head of the Supreme Court is dash. जो head होता है Supreme Court का वो कौन होता है? The answer is Chief Justice of India. Then we have think and answer. What would you do to improve India's administration? So, decentralization, technology, citizen participation, accountability, and transparency are the main pillars to improve India's administration. Okay. Then we have Infobit. Election Commission is a legal body responsible for journal elections. जो election commission होती है वो responsible होती है journal elections के लिए. That is in India. Okay. Then we have Teacher's note. Discuss the functioning of the Union of India and different flag symbols. Okay. Then we have the second one. Here are some national days of the countries. We have some national days of the different countries. So we have 15 August, Independence Day for India. Then we have 4th February, Independence Day for Sri Lanka. Then we have 14th July, National Day for France. Then 1st July, we have Canada Day for Canada. Then we have 26th January for Australia Day for Australia. Then we have 1st January, Liberation Day for Cuba. Then we have 25th March, Independence Day for Greece. Then we have 17th May, Constitution Day for Norway. Then 27th April, Freedom Day for South Africa. Then 25th May, Revolution Day for Argentina. 28th May, Derg Downfall Day for Ethiopia. 2nd June, Republic Day for Italy. 6th June, Flag Day for Sweden. 10th June, Portugal Day for Portugal. Okay. Then we have 12th June, Russia Day for Russia. 4th July, Independence Day for USA. 18th December, National Day for Qatar. 2nd December, National Day for UAE Emirates. 1st December, Great Union Day for Romania. 11th November, National Day for Poland. 19th September, Constitution Day for Nepal. 26th October, National Day for Austria. 26th January, Republic Day for India. 31st August, Independence Day for Malaysia. 27th April, King's Day for Netherlands. We have Infobit as well. 22nd April is called the Earth Day. 22nd April को Earth Day कहते हैं. Okay? So, I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.